The future of warfare is no longer just about soldiers and weapons, it's about intelligent machines. The United States military is rapidly integrating advanced robotic systems designed for combat, surveillance, rescue missions, and logistics. In this video, we'll explore powerful military robots that are redefining modern warfare. The modern battlefield is becoming increasingly dangerous, and the US military is turning to robotics to save lives and enhance human strength. One of the most impressive systems is the Bear robot, developed by Vecna Technologies. This robot is designed specifically to rescue wounded soldiers under fire. It can lift and carry up to 270 kilograms, allowing it to evacuate injured personnel without risking additional human lives. Controlled remotely with AI assistance, Bear is equipped with infrared night vision and optical cameras, enabling it to operate effectively in darkness, smoke, and hostile environments. Alongside rescue robots, the military is also enhancing soldiers themselves through advanced exoskeletons. The Sarcos Guardian Exo is a full-body powered exoskeleton that gives operators superhuman strength. Soldiers wearing it can lift loads of up to 90 kilograms, yet feel as if they are carrying only 5 kilograms. With 24 degrees of freedom, natural movement, and a walking speed of 1.3 meters per second, this system dramatically reduces fatigue and injury. Together, these technologies are redefining how soldiers survive and perform on the battlefield. Gathering intelligence without exposing soldiers to danger is a top military priority. One standout system is Vision 60, developed by Ghost Robotics. This four-legged robotic platform is designed for reconnaissance, patrol, and security missions. Its agile movement allows it to navigate rough terrain, stairs, and debris with ease. Vision 60 can carry payloads of up to 10 kilograms and features a 360-degree camera system, providing constant situational awareness. The US Army is also developing autonomous mini-robots for extreme reconnaissance missions. These small machines are designed to operate in urban ruins, caves, tunnels, and mountainous regions. One example includes a spider-like robot capable of climbing and maneuvering through tight spaces. These robots collect critical intelligence in areas too dangerous for humans, silently transmitting data back to command units. Together, these systems form the eyes and ears of future military operations. Transporting heavy equipment across difficult terrain has always been a challenge for soldiers. To solve this, the military has adopted robotic carriers like Big Dog, developed by Boston Dynamics. Big Dog is a quadruped robot built to carry heavy loads while maintaining balance on uneven terrain such as rocks, mud, snow, and steep slopes. Using advanced sensors and dynamic stabilization, it can recover from slips and maintain footing even when pushed. Complementing Big Dog is the THMIS robotic vehicle, developed by Milrem Robotics. This tracked, multipurpose platform can transport supplies, evacuate wounded soldiers, conduct reconnaissance, or launch drones. With a payload capacity of 433 kilograms and autonomous operation for up to 72 hours, THMIS can cover over 100 kilometers without human assistance. These robots dramatically reduce physical strain on troops while increasing battlefield efficiency. One of the most dangerous tasks in military operations is dealing with explosives. The GuardBot is a unique spherical robot designed for surveillance and explosive detection. It can move at speeds of 35 km per hour on land and 6.5 km per hour on water, allowing it to operate across multiple environments. GuardBot can function silently, detect improvised explosive devices, and transport explosives for safe disposal. Another critical system is the FLIR Cobra robotic platform, used extensively by the US Army for explosive ordnance disposal. Weighing 166 kilograms, this tracked robot can operate for up to 10 hours and reach speeds of 8 miles per hour. It is equipped to detect chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear materials, making it a vital tool for modern warfare and homeland security operations. As robotic technology advances, some platforms are being equipped for direct combat support. The THMIS combat variant can be armed with machine guns or even a 60mm mortar, providing remote firepower without placing soldiers in harm's way. These systems can support infantry, guard perimeters, and provide suppressive fire during combat operations. On the extreme end of the spectrum is Eagle Prime, a massive robotic machine developed by Megabots. Standing 5 meters tall and weighing 12 tons, Eagle Prime is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and operated by 2 people. Equipped with a cannon and mechanical claw, it was initially designed for entertainment, but its scale and design hint at future possibilities for mechanized combat platforms. The integration of robotics into the US military marks a major shift in how wars are fought. From rescue missions and reconnaissance to logistics and combat support, these machines are transforming the battlefield. Robots reduce casualties, extend operational reach, and allow missions to be completed with greater precision and efficiency. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, future military robots will become more autonomous, more intelligent, and more capable. While human soldiers remain essential, robotic systems are rapidly becoming their most powerful allies. The age of robotic warfare is no longer science fiction, it is happening right now. As we've seen today, the future of warfare is no longer just human, it's robotic. From rescue machines and exoskeletons to autonomous vehicles and combat-ready systems, the US military is rapidly transforming how battles are fought and how lives are protected. These advanced robots are not replacing soldiers, they're enhancing their capabilities, reducing risk, and redefining modern warfare through intelligence, precision, and technology. This is the future of defense innovation, and it's happening right now. If you enjoyed this deep dive into military technology, subscribe to Seaboy Tech, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakthrough in tech, AI, and future innovation. Let us know in the comments, which robot impressed you the most? This is Seaboy Tech, where the future meets technology.